Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add or update your email signature in Zoho Desk. Having a professional email signature is essential for maintaining consistency in your customer communications, and Zoho Desk makes this process straightforward and customizable. First, you'll need to go to Zoho Desk and log into your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, locate the setup icon, which looks like a gear, and click on it. You'll typically find this in the top navigation menu. This icon is your gateway to all the configuration settings within Zoho Desk, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its location. After clicking the setup icon, you'll be taken to a new page with various configuration options. Scroll down through these options until you locate the personalization section. This area contains settings that allow you to customize how Zoho Desk works for you and your team. Within the personalization section, you'll see an option labeled Preferences. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be on the Preferences page, which displays a list of different customization options. Scroll down through this list until you find the option labeled Signature. This is where you'll be able to create or modify your email signature. To add a new signature for your emails, simply click on Add Signature. When you do this, a plain text side panel editor will appear on your screen, giving you space to craft your signature. In this editor, you can type in the signature you wish to use directly. This could include your name, job title, contact information, or any other details you want to appear at the end of your emails. If you already have a signature prepared, you can click on Insert to add it using various methods. Zoho Desk supports adding signatures through links, HTML codes, or even JavaScript codes, giving you flexibility in how your signature appears and functions. Once you've entered or inserted your signature and you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save to finalize your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your email signature in Zoho Desk. Your new signature will now appear automatically in your customer communications, helping you maintain a professional and consistent brand presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.